In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a video to Jotform. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, adding multimedia to your forms can elevate your project and engage your audience more effectively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily embed a video into your Jotform. First things first, head over to jotform.com. Once you're on the website, you'll want to log in if you haven't already. If you don't have an account, it's quick and easy to set one up. Just follow the prompts to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which displays all the forms you've created or have access to. Next, you'll need to select the form you'd like to edit. Simply find your form from the list and click on it to open it. Then look for the Edit Form button. This is usually located near the top of your dashboard, and clicking it will take you into the form builder where all the magic happens. Once you're in the form builder, look to the left of your screen. Here, you'll find the Add Element button. Give that a click. This button is your gateway to a variety of form elements that can be added to customize your form, ranging from text boxes to more interactive options. After clicking Add Element, you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, select Widgets. Widgets in Jotform are powerful tools that allow you to extend the functionality of your forms beyond basic fields. They enable you to add features like maps, signature fields, and of course, videos. For this tutorial, we're going to add a YouTube video, as it's one of the most popular platforms for video content. In the Widgets section, find and click on the YouTube option. This will allow you to embed a video directly from YouTube into your form, which is perfect for tutorials, informational videos, or any visual content you will want to share with your form users. Once you've selected the YouTube widget, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the YouTube video you wish to add. Simply go to YouTube, find your video, and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Then return to Jotform and paste this URL into the field provided. After pasting the URL, the final step is to click Update. This action saves the changes you've made and embeds the video into your form. It's as simple as that. You should now see the video preview within your form builder, which confirms that your video has been successfully added. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your Jotform with engaging video content. This not only makes your forms more interactive, but also provides a richer experience for your respondents. Remember, incorporating multimedia elements can significantly boost engagement, making your forms not just informative, but also dynamic and visually appealing. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your online forms. Thanks for watching and happy form building.